What's up guys, Fall Guy here. Today I'm going to show you a little glitch. In this glitch, you're going to shoot out unlimited rockets, mini nukes, all that. Like that. And I'm using the laser detonator and I chose this weapon because look how fast it shoots. Oh, are those mercs? Yep, it is. Well, say bye to the mercs. What's this? It even created an ash pile. Yeah, I don't want that. See, I don't even know where the mercs went, and that was so good. Is he over here? Well, no, let's get straight into the video. So, this is how you're gonna do it. I'm gonna disable it. Okay, no. What? Okay, hold on a second. So, why is it still freaking shoot? Maybe I have to do this. Okay, see, that's what it normally looks like. For all those who don't know. Yeah. So this is how you're gonna do it. I'm using the red flare from the Lonesome Road DLC. Or the red glare, not the red flare. And then I'm gonna use the ammo on the laser detonator. So this is how you do it. You go equip the red glare. Hotkey, the red glare, over there. Go to your ammo. They'll be on rockets. Replace the red glare with the rockets. Then let go. This also works with the recharge pistol. I don't know about the rifle. Let's try it. Oh, oopsie. Hold on. Yep, it does. So recharge pistol, rifle, whatever you prefer. Or the laser detonator. See, I just changed the ammo there. So now, is that so confusing? Let's go test it out. Sniper's Nest. And also, this is where the Gobi camping sniper rifle is, which I will make a video soon on that. But for some reason, I deleted my account, so I had to make a new one. Now I don't have 100 lockpick. See? Very hard. Yay. But let's go down there and kill some Legion. Why is my Pip-Boy light on? See, this is my YouTube channel. I just ask random questions thinking that you're gonna reply, but then I realize, oh no, they're not gonna reply. By the way, if I didn't mention it, if we can get 100 likes on any of my videos, I'll be checking constantly. Once we hit it, I'm gonna get all kinds of recording equipment. If I can't get the screen recorder, then I'll get a GoPro. But that should be a lot better for the recording. Finally, a Legionary. Sorry. Look, it even turns into ashes because it's a laser gun. Oh. Is that... Okay, this is getting kind of annoying. Okay, who are you? Okay, yeah, I thought you were like that person from the East. With the Blade of the East. As you can see, I exploded myself and all my health went away. But hey, it's worth it. I showed you guys how to do this. Okay. Let's see, do I have... Oh, I guess I have to kill these guys. I need to kill all these guys so I can fast travel out of here. Okay. Now that they're all dead, let's go up to gun runners. Now you can do this with missiles. Yeah, whatever. With missiles, but they have to be like the special types of missiles, like the highly explosive, high velocity. And I did do this glitch before, but I did it with the recharge pistol, I believe.
Welcome, Sir Ormac.
And it did work pretty good. I went into the Quarry Junction and I took out all the Deathclaws. Let's get what should I get? A highly explosive. Oh wait, no, not all that. I only want one, so. Look, it's still getting the critical hits. See, now, this is what you do for this. You do, like, almost the exact same thing, except I'm going to use the special Annabelle missile launcher. Okay, same, you hotkey that over there. Go into here, highly explosive. Then let go. Laser detonator. I haven't tried this with the laser detonator, so I'm learning this too. Yeah, pretty good. It shoots pretty fast. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope this helped you out, like completing missions that involve destroying stuff. But yeah, that'll be all, guys. Fallout Guy here. Peace out.